Irix is coming up with a new 150mm full-frame cine lens and a matte box.
CineD, your digital cinema tech resource, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi, I'm Johnny from CineD, and I'm here with Carol from Irix. Carol, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you very much. And it's really nice to talk to you about lenses. Irix has been in the market for how long now?
We started in 2016. The company origin is from the photography, so we started with the lineup of the photography lenses. And since then, we also started with the Cine line of our products.
You know, guys, I heard about Irix. I know that they are in Switzerland, but actually I want to learn more. Are you really operating from Switzerland? Is it a Swiss company?
No, it's a bit more complicated because Irix is a kind of international cooperation. It's true that we have headquarters in Switzerland, where also, for example, we patented all the products, but our warehouse and marketing department is located in Poland, and our factory is in South Korea. So we are in two continents, in different countries.
Sounds very interesting. So the glass itself is made in Korea, South Korea?
No, the glass itself is mostly made in Japan.
Oh wow, so it's even more complicated than the complicated.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Okay, good to know. Now, let's go briefly about your line of cine lenses, just that our audience will be also familiar with what you do.
Yeah, of course. Currently we have 6 lenses in our lineup. It's starting from the ultra-wide 11mm. Then we have 15mm, which is quite interesting because it's an ultra-wide-angle lens, which is still able to use filters. Then we have 21, 30, 45. That's our medium range. Those are T1.5 lenses. And then we have 150 macro lens.
And what mount can I find with your lenses?
Currently we have 7 mounts available, starting from Canon EF, then Canon RF. We have Sony E, we have PL mount, we have Nikon Z, and we have Leica L mount as well. And of course MFT.
You know what I didn't hear? I didn't hear a Fujifilm X mount. Why is that?
Yeah, that's correct. As for now, we don't have Fuji X, but that's only temporary. We are going to also introduce Fuji X lenses in the future, probably beginning next year.
Great, this is always nice to hear. Let's talk a little bit about a new upcoming lens. And which one is that now?
Well, the next lens that will be released is a new version of our 150mm lens. The reason why we are launching this lens is mostly because we are listening to our customers. As I mentioned before, we already have 150 macro, and we have a lot of comments from our customers that they really like this lens. They love the image that it provides, and they would like to use it not as a macro lens, but also as a telephoto. So we are going to launch it with some internal changes, and also with redefined focusing ring. So it will be much more precise when focusing on the longer distances, and it will allow to much easier operations for using it as a telephoto lens, not a macro one.
In terms of optical design, it will be the same quality?
Yes, it will be exactly the same quality because we would like to keep the well-appreciated optical quality of that lens.
This is currently in the making. When is it going to hit the market?
We expect it will be ready in roughly about 2 months.
And the price range?
All our Cine lenses have the same price range. It's roughly about 1,200 euros.
By the way, talking about, it's really clear now about availability and pricing, but just when talking to you, since you're talking about this kind of ultra-continent, between headquarters and designing and so on, how are you doing with supply chain? Any issues?
Currently, we are mostly having a warehousing in Europe, which is our warehouse is located in Poland. We also have a warehouse in US, so that allows us to have basically no problems with the stock for the most important customers and most important countries. And of course, we are developing Asia as well. Our factory is located in South Korea, so it allows us to fast deliveries to, for example, to China or to Japan.
a new matte box, very, very lightweight. What can you tell me about this matte box?
Yeah, this is a new product that is going to be released soon. That's still the sample, the pre-production sample. But this is something that we would like to introduce mostly because one of the features for our lenses. All our lenses, they are equipped with, almost all, they are equipped with the magnetic mount system for the filters. It's super fast and it's very important for filmmakers. If you are shooting on locations and you need to swap the NDs, then you can save a lot of time. And our customers who started to use our magnetic filters, they love them and they ask us if it's possible to use them somehow with other lenses as well. So, as we are trying to listen to our customers, we design a matte box which allows to use also our magnetic filters with any kind of other lenses. It can be mounted both on Cine lenses with the adapters for different sizes, or there will be also adapters for the standard thread mount for example, photographic lenses if they will be used for the cinema as well.
And what is the diameter at the back?
The standard diameter is 95, but there will be adapters for other sizes as well.
And how do you achieve this very light? I mean, it's amazing. What is the material here?
That's a combination of ASB and carbon fiber. And of course, some aluminum parts for the mount. I would like to also say something for our customers who are asking about the gap that we currently have between 45 and 150. A lot of people are asking us to do something with that, and yeah, we are doing that. We are finishing the design for our new lens that will be released by the end of this year or beginning of next year. And then next year there will be additional lens that will be also filling that gap. So then our lineup will be fully developed and it will contain 8 lenses.
Good, and then you can take the time to rest a little bit, travel a little bit, or just design the next batch of lenses. What would you do?
Oh, no, definitely we won't waste time. We have other ideas and we want to develop new products. So the ending of the lineup for the moment will definitely not finish the development of new products.
Karol, nice talking to you. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.